Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna create a Reddit clone app. So as you can see here, this is the Python share which is Reddit clone. I just named it Python share. So in here as you can see we have a lots of posts available, and in the particular post as you can see this is Python sucks post and this is the image, but this is the group name which user can join and upload the post in that particular group, or you can say community. And as you can see the user is joined in that group, but in here user isn't joined in this group. So let's click on this particular post. So this is the post, this is the group, and this is the user. Now I change something. You can upload the code like this in our post, and I added this code editor so user can write a particular code and run it. I use the repl.it, and this is the comment section where user can comment with the code. And in this area as you can see joined group is this and top liked post and top disliked post. And I just added some of the latest news API so user can see latest news in here. Now I created a powerful search bar. For example, if I write Python in here and search it, as you can see I got all of the post which is related to Python. Now I am not just fetching the detail by only title, I am fetching detail by group name, username, post title, description, and even code. Now let's go in the create post. So as you can see in the create post you must choose the community, or you can create the community in here, or you can join any community and that community will show here. For example, Python meme, only Python, and HTML problem. Now I use the title tags which is the important. For example, if I write Python and HTML, it will generate the particular tag for that post. I use the image, and I use the Vimeo which is the online video storing site. I even use the YouTube, I use the post, and even I use the code for our post. And again you can try your code in here. So let me quickly create a post. So as you can see I just add the tag Doraemon which is the very unique because I wanna show you how this work. I add the title Superman, I add the post who is Batman, and I just add the code. So I'm gonna upload my post now. So this is my post, as you can see Superman. Now when I click here, as you can see that URL is generated system, which is I logged in username, system 826 is unique number for unique URL, and Superman is the title. So as you can see this is who is Batman and Superman title. So now let's quickly search Doraemon. Let's see it is working or not. As you can see I got this because I added the tag in the Superman particular post. Now let's try to search Batman. Sorry, I got no post available for Doraemon Batman because I searched accidentally wrong item. So now that you know how it works, let me just delete this post. And in the my home section I will find all of the posts related to my all of the joined group. As you can see all of this post is which I joined in that group. So in today's agenda we are gonna create the Reddit clone using Python Django. So let's see first the database. So as you can see I got 4 databases available. The first one is Python share comment model, the second one is Python share group model, the third one is Python share join group model, the fourth one is Python share post model. Okay, so let's start with the Python share group model. So as you can see, I got first one is the group user, which is nothing but the foreign key related to user and this group. The second one is obviously the group title, the third one is the URL, the fourth one is the image, the fifth one is the image link, the sixth one is the policy, the seventh one is the category, and the eighth one is the date. So in here you can see I just created the two mini function. As you can see, the first one is str to see the group title in the admin section. The second one is the half title because sometimes we want to see only half title, and that's why I created this snippet. Okay, so now that you know how this group model is working, let's move on to the second model, which is nothing but the Python share join group model. Now in here we are just gonna fetch all of the joined group model. We are gonna store all of the join group model. For example, join group user equal to foreign key, which is related to nothing but the user. User is the model of Django inbuilt. The second one is the join group model equal to many field. Now in here I just use the many field. Why? Because join group can have a multiple grouped in that particular column. For example, as you can see, this is the join group. Now I am joining the user system. For example, let's try to add this system. Now join group equal to, it has a multiple joined group, and that's why I can join anyone from this group model, which is nothing but the Python share group model. You can create the model in here too. And then I created the third one is the joined. If the user is joined to any group, it is gonna be true, else it is gonna be false. Okay, now let's move on to the main group, which is nothing but the Python share post model. So the first one is the root user, which is related to user model obviously. Share group is nothing but the foreign key which is related to Python share group model, which is nothing but this first model, Python share group model, where we create the model for our group. So the third one is share title, URL, image link, post, tags, code, like, dislike, views, video link, YouTube video link, and date. Remember to use many field in like and dislike. Okay, our last model is Python share comment model. So I created the model for to comment that particular post. So the first one is root share post, which is nothing but the Python share post model, this model. So we can comment in that particular model. And the second one is root user, which is nothing but the user who is commenting, and that's why I use the user model related to this Python share comment model. The third one is comment body, code, like, dislike, and date. Okay, so let's start with the Python share home function. So this is the Python share function. So this is the URL for Python share function. The first one is Python share home, which is nothing but the related to Python share function. So this is our Python share function. Now for now, forget about this. Focus on this. Now PS post is nothing but the object for Python share post model. So I just use the Python share post model dot objects dot all order by share date. Now what is this? Python share post model is this or main model. So I am fetching all of the data and store it in PS post. Okay, cmnt obj equal to Python share comment model dot objects dot all. This is simple. Again, I just fetch all of the data from comment model and store it in cmnt obj. Okay, so this code is nothing but for my this area latest news. As you can see, I am showing the latest news from BBC News. Now if you want to know how I did this, just comment me. I'm gonna create a whole video for BBC News API. Okay, so now we are in the most important part. I am fetching the top liked and top disliked posts. So this algorithm is my own algorithm I created. I didn't copy from anything. I created this algorithm with my mind. So in here I am just fetching the three main list, which is nothing but the like, dislike and view. Now if you want a whole model like and dislike and view count, so you gotta do this. Now if you want to know more about this code, so just comment me. I'm gonna create a whole new video for this particular code. So let's move on. This was for top liked and this was for top disliked. Now in this area I am finding, so I created this code to just check if user is joined in that particular group or not, in that particular post or not. For example, here as you can see, the user is not joined in this group, but the user is joined in this joined group because only Python is joined in that particular model many to many field, and that's why it is showing joined. Now I'm gonna discuss more about later. Now let's move on. So as you can see, I'm passing in the context. The first one is PS post. So PS post is nothing but the object which we created to fetch all of the data from Python share model. And the second one is the isJoined. IsJoined nothing but this code which I created, which create a list in amount of this PS post data. For example, if the user is joined, then it will create 0, and if user is not joined, then it will create 0, and if user is joined, then it will create 1. So now let's move on. The second one is user. I am passing the user to check if user is authenticated or not. The third one is the CMNT object for comment object, which we just created to show all of the comments. The fourth one is PSJMOBJ, which is nothing but the all of the joined user group model. Now if you are joined in the HTML group, then it will store in the joined group user and it will return in the PSJMOBJ, which I am passing in here. This is the joined groups, and that's why it is showing me Python meme, only Python and HTML problem. If I unjoined from this only Python group, as you can see, isn't showing me that particular group, and the join button is gone from this only Python. Now I am trying to fetch that particular user which is logged in, and I am trying to fetch that is that particular logged in user is joined in any group. If yes, then return in PSJMOBJ. If none is returned, then it is a blank list, or you can say blank string. So now let's move on. So these two is nothing but the top liked and top disliked post. So this is the news obj which I created to display the latest news. Now checked group. What is this? Checked group is nothing but the obj for share joined group model. I am checking all of these joined group model and sending in it checked group. So this is, and ATH user is nothing but the request.user.